Mazzoni. Not to be confused with Cahoney.
Together, really, because of one person, and that is Jan Brooks. Whole thing together to just spend a smile and work together here at the last minute. We appreciate it. And okay, where's my wife? We got a little small token of appreciation for Jan. Jan?
Thank all of you. Hey, it's a great time. I enjoyed doing it for all you Parrot athletes. Best wishes for a healthy and happy new year.
And I'll let you in a little secret. Because of Al Frost sitting over there, our Vice President, we have a room reserved for next New Year's Eve. So, it may happen. It may happen. You know, we'll see what happens. You know, the board's going to vote on this whole thing, but at least we got the groundwork done. Thank you, Al, for standing in line. Okay. We got about 22 minutes or so, and then we're going to have a countdown, and there's plenty of food back there left, and there's also cake. Cake! So help yourself to some cake. Okay, is Jason still out here? I'm going to turn it back to Jason. Thanks for coming, folks.
I said 2007's gotta go.
folks. Grab your champagne. Let's have a toast. Grab your champagne. Okay, here's a toast to 2008. May we all be healthy and prosperous for 2008. Welcome, Parrot Heads. And thank you, Jason, for a wonderful evening. Keep playing, buddy.
Thank you, Parrot Heads, for making 2007 such a wonderful year. Thank you very much. Happy New Year. All right.